In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube scraper with Gumloop. We'll start inside Gumloop by logging into your account, creating a new flow, giving that workflow a clear name, and opening the workflow editor. A simple name like YouTube Video Scraper works well because it makes the project easy to recognize later, especially if you build multiple automations. Before adding any nodes, take a moment to decide exactly what data you want to collect from YouTube. This is important because it shapes the rest of the workflow. You might want video titles, video URLs, channel names, view counts, like counts, publish dates, descriptions, comments, or publicly available subscriber information. Defining this early helps keep your scraper focused and avoids collecting unnecessary data. Next, create a search input so your flow knows what to look for. This input can be set up for keyword searches, channel URLs, playlist URLs, or specific video URLs. For example, you could use a keyword like AI automation or point the workflow to a YouTube channel URL. This flexibility is useful because it lets the same flow work for different research tasks without needing to rebuild everything each time. Once the input is ready, add a data retrieval step using a YouTube compatible source, an API connection, or a browser automation workflow available in Gumloop. Then configure that step to pull the fields you chose earlier. At this stage, you're turning a simple search into structured output such as titles, views, and links. If your search returns multiple videos, add a loop node so each result can be processed one by one. This is a key part of making the scraper scalable. Instead of handling only a single result, the workflow can go through an entire list and extract detailed information from every video automatically. From there, expand the dataset by extracting additional metadata for each item. This can include the video title, description, upload date, duration, channel name, and tags if they're available. The more complete your metadata is, the more useful your final dataset becomes for research and analysis. After that, send the video data into an AI node. This allows you to do more than just collect information. You can classify topics, generate summaries, extract keywords, analyze target audience fit, and uncover content strategy insights. A simple prompt can ask the AI to review a video title and description and identify the audience, topic, and main keywords. If comments are available, you can also process them to find recurring themes, common questions, and overall sentiment. This optional step is especially helpful when you want audience insight, not just content data. Finally, export the results to a destination like Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, a CRM, or a database. Then automate the workflow on a schedule so it can monitor channels, track competitors, analyze trends, and keep your research up to date automatically.